Welcome to the Vallath Net classes at Trivandrum. We have a complete net program running here, which is suitable for both beginners as well as advanced students. The difference between offline and online classes is that in offline class, we give more career focus and also importance to experiential learning. The offline class also includes some hybrid sessions. For paper 1, we have over 200 hours. For paper 2, around 300 hours of offline learning and over 75 hours of online classes. These hours of classes include in-depth lectures as well as exhaustive revision programs, along with 20 printed books, structured online quizzes, topic-wise quizzes, and over 10 model tests. This course will make you exam ready as well as career ready. Well, if you already have bought our books, no problem, you can join without books. And previous students always get a concession. If you extend your learning with us to another batch, you can get a concession. We also have special scholarship programs for people with disabilities, for people who are from the transgender community. Not only that, when you pass NET with JRF, we will refund your complete tuition fees. Isn't that amazing? And the offline sessions at Trivandrum are also particularly exciting and important because it includes lots of fun events. Not only fun, it will hone your skills as professionals. You will be taking part in literature festivals. You will be taking part in organization of various meaningful programs. You will be meeting some celebrities. And you will be engaging in various aspects of cultural studies. Attending the Gold Batch at Trivandrum is indeed a golden opportunity to hone your skills and embark on a glorious career. Don't miss out. You can join now.